Welcome back to Papa's Home. We're on day 15 now of the shower remodel. Today they actually put up the Kerdi board, so before we were looking at open walls and framing. In the past we had open slab. All of that's patched. It's finally starting to look like a shower now. You can kind of see the outline of my shower shelves much better, and you can see where the valve is going to be as well, so that's all looking really good. Like I said, shower head will be up top right there. Another thing to note is that the ceiling, they haven't got to this part yet, but supposedly this will be completely waterproof by tomorrow. They're actually going to run the test. I think that's going to be like 24 hours of, I believe this space will just like be filled up with water, and we'll see if the water level stays where it is. If that's the case, then we're all good to go. So a couple things to note between what today looks like versus tomorrow. Anywhere that you see a seam, they're going to put this membrane that's going to overlap this seam 2 inches on either side, so it'll be like kind of a 4-inch band, and it'll go all the way across. In addition, you'll see these 2-inch thinking radius. Anyways, there'll be some kind of patch that goes over each one of these screws. So it'll be any of these openings, this edge as well. They'll probably put Kerdi board on the back as well. They'll fill in all the corners as well as get the corner right there. They'll put Kerdi board on this side as well. Yeah, so this is pretty much what it looks like now. We did have an issue before the drain, or I'm sorry, not the drain, the light used to be right here, and now that we can actually see the framing and everything, now that it's all opened, we're actually going to move the light closer towards the center here, so when you're taking a shower, you can have a light that's directly in here. So it'll be nice and bright, and that'll look really good. I'm super excited for the shower cutouts. I think these are going to turn out really, really good looking. So yeah, that's it for tonight, and yeah, stay tuned for further updates. I'll probably show it while it's got a pool of water down here in the bottom. And I think this will look a whole lot cleaner by tomorrow. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe.